Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy or Amylouise. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. I'm here 3 times a week with beauty content for you to enjoy. Today I'm unboxing my first ever Look Fantastic beauty subscription box. This is, I've got the 12-month deal, so this is £13 I believe a month for me. I will have a link down in the description box below and you can get a box yourself. I do think I've got a discount code actually. I don't know if I've got a discount code. I think I do. If I do, it'll either be a discount link or a discount code. Check that out. You might be able to save some pennies. So this is my very first one. To see it's pink, I actually quite like this box. I've not opened it. I just took it out of the main box. So here we go. So we have the beauty book edit. It's time to blossom. So I don't know what this is. Okay, so in the book it's like an actual magazine. This is way better than the glossy box already, and I haven't even got to the products. So instead of just like a card, you've got like a full-on book. So there's the what's in the box, which has everything in there. Ooh. So they've got like a little product breakdown of each of the products, which is really nice to see. No prices though, which is a little bit upsetting. I do wish that there was prices. I do enjoy the fact that on Glossybox it does come with the price of each product on their card. So again, more product breakdown. And then I guess this is like the usual kind of like girly magazine stuff in here. What exactly is clean beauty? So a couple of articles, I think. A nice one about face mapping. I do enjoy like this sort of stuff, so this is great. I'm definitely going to be looking through this in more detail. What's coming up? With £18.66 in our May box, it's all about celebrating sunnier days. Think daisy fields and picnic packs. The ESPA 24-hour replenishing eye moisturizer. So if you want to try this, definitely get the May box at least. We will be getting a pot of that by the looks of it. That is amazing. Okay, so we've got lovely tissue paper. Let's just break this open. Actually put in here really nicely. I do see this. I believe I've already had this. I'm gonna pull these out one at a time and let's chat. Okay, so the first product I've got is the Beauty Pro Rose Infused Sheet Mask. I have had a few of their sheet masks before. I really do like them. I don't think I've got the rose one before. But it's rose, chamomile and seaweed. Calming and hydrating. Perfect. 15-minute water-free plant origin, and it is the plant-based range. I will so be doing this tonight. Like this, yes. So this is one of the ones that I did the other day. This is the avocado one. I believe I got this in a glossy box. It's definitely a fan of the brand. Next product, eyelashes. These are a lot less dramatic than my usual lashes, I'm sure you all know, but these would have been perfect for a day like today where I've gone for a very soft glam. And Eyelash are a great brand. These are 3/4 length, and it comes with a little eyelash glue. Yeah, I've not got a bad thing. Like, I'm very happy to have these in my collection. Next product is the Glove Scrub-X exfoliating accessory for soft and kissable lips. One product inside. Kiss and tell who prepared your lips so well. A handy exfoliating and reusable accessory for your chapped lips. I don't know what this is. Laboratory tested. Benefit for your lips. Super smooth lips. Bigger and fuller lips. I don't know if I need that. Tender and soft feeling after. Lip balms are absorbed better after use and easier colour lipstick application. Okay, wash before first use, moisten Scrub-X with water, gently scrub your lips, adapting pressure to your needs. Clean it and use it again, apply lip balm and do not apply too much pressure. Start gently. Okay, I'm assuming this is like a little finger glove or something, kind of like an exfoliating mitt but for your lips. I'm just going to try and get into this. It is, oh my god, it's so cute. This is so cute. I will definitely be using this. It doesn't feel too harsh and it's got a nice grip texture to it. It's not too big of a grip and it's not too small. This is right up my alley. I wish it wasn't pink, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. I'm always applying lip balm and lip scrubs because I wear lipstick pretty much every day. I do like to take care of my lips, so this is gonna be a welcome addition to my everyday lip routine. Next we've got, hold on, I think I've already got this, the Avon Pink Orchid Hyaluronic Glycerin White Peony Pink Orchid Subtle Restoring Overnight Serum. Why is this name so long? I'm pretty sure, hold on.
A few moments later.
In my masses of skincare, I've apparently lost my other one of these. That shows just how much I use it, I guess, because I think I've used it once. Yeah, I might have to keep this one on the desk so that I actually use it. But this is, I believe this is a hydrating serum. It doesn't say. It just says restoring overnight serum. So I'm guessing moisturising and maybe a little bit of anti-aging in there. It doesn't say on the bottle. Okay, next product is the Ren Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. Is this SPF? Just a moisturiser. I think this is just a moisturiser. It doesn't say anything about SPF being in it here. Just says gently massage onto clean face and neck until absorbed. I have no qualms about getting moisturisers in beauty subscription boxes. I will take all the moisturisation I can get. I do have dehydrated skin, even though I do get kind of oily. I don't have an issue getting moisturisers, especially like these little ones, because I can put these aside. These are great for travelling. Also, I do tend to take some of these when they're getting, you know, towards the end of their life to the women's shelter, and I donate these. So great. Also, stick them in your handbag. You never know when you need like a little bit of hydration, whether it's your hands, your elbows, whatever it is. This is handy. And the last product is a nail varnish. This is the Nails Inc. Be Your Incredible Self with Nails Inc. London. This is in Mayfair Lane. Honestly, not my colour, so I might keep this and put it into a giveaway. I do have a giveaway currently up for my 750 subscriber count, which is wild. The fact that I've even got to 750, or I'm about to get to 750 subscribers, blows my mind. But yeah, this is not my kind of colour. It is cute though. I'm not mad at it. Like, obviously they're not gonna know that like I don't like pink. It's not a thing, but with a grey on my fingers, that is actually kind of cute. I will probably put this in maybe my 1000 subscriber giveaway. Overall, I'm really happy with this box. Well worth £13. Do I have anything bad to say? No, not really. I like the lashes. I don't have an issue with any of the products. This is a really good box, and I'm way happier with this one than I have been with the past few glossy boxes. Overall, I would say, yeah, give this a go. You never know. I think you can do like 1, 3, 6 and 12 month subscriptions, just like Glossy Box, and the more months you do, the cheaper the price gets. And like I said, if I've got that discount link, I will put it down below for you so that you can save some extra pennies. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.